Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. So this one's really simple, and it's all about improving your copywriting when it comes to Google Ads. Could also be other pay-per-click platforms or long-form copy for that matter. And the tool I'm going to show you today, what it does is it converts the case type of your ad copy. And that could be important for making sure your letter perfect on headlines and descriptions, for example. So the tool in question is convertcase.net, and I will provide a link down below the video that you can click on and get there directly. And what this tool does essentially is you can take any text or ad copy for that matter and paste it into the text box here. In this case, I've typed in the classic quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. In case you're not familiar with that from grade 9 typing class, that sentence happens to contain every letter in the alphabet, which is why it's really good for practicing typing. Anyway, so we can see that this is in sentence case right now, and to convert it to title case, for example, we would just click on title case, and we can see now that most, but not all, of the words are capitalized on the first letter. We can see the isn't. A title case is what we typically use at my agency for both headlines and descriptions. You can, and we do see some advertisers use capitalized case, in which case the only difference in this sentence would be the would be capitalized. Excuse me. But title case tends to read a little easier, particularly when it's longer content, such as in a description. There is a use case also for descriptions using sentence case, as was the original version of this. And that can be if you are in fact writing sentences more in the description, it can be a little easier to read, but generally title case is an all-purpose option for headlines and descriptions in Google. It's what we tend to use the most. Anyway, you can see the tool's really super easy to use. You can do a lot of other things with this if you choose. And by the way, you can also use ChatGPT to convert your case. But I find that it's just a little bit more involved to type it out what you want it to do. One small issue you will run into with this tool sometimes is if you have an acronym, such as, for example, if we were using Fox as in Fox Sports in this example, and we convert it, this tool will not understand that. It's going to make the other letters in the first one lowercase. So just be aware of that. It's something you have to watch out for sometimes. But otherwise, the tool's a dream. And of course, you can always type this stuff out manually in title case. But I do find that a lot of people don't fully understand which words should be capitalized, which should not. So I often see errors. So this just makes sure everything is done accurately. That's basically it for today. So I hope you find this tool is helpful and streamlines your work. And we will see you next time.